Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. It's November 13th, 2019. It's Red Wiggler Wednesday. It's been 1 year and 15 weeks already since we got started with the Red Wigglers in the Worm Factory 360. And we've moved this top tray up, try to get the worms to migrate down. And it looks like the majority of them have. There's one there, so they're still hanging out. I'm not really expecting a whole lot. There's another one and another one. Not really expecting a whole lot of action in here today. Check out this middle tray. We did not feed last week. Just kind of letting them work through this that they've got in here. Moisture feels good. So nothing extraordinarily exciting in here. Just kind of spread out. Not gonna mess with the rest of it. Move on to our holding bin where we put our pumpkin stems a couple weeks ago. Oh yeah, look at that. See how they're doing on those. They're eating away. Looks like they've got most of the pumpkin almost gone off the bottom of that one. That one's still got a little bit more left. And that one's pretty much gone. Got some mites on that one. Focus for me. There we go. See that ball of red mites there? I am going to fluff this up, aerate it a little bit, because it is, oh, what we got there? Oh, that's that old banana. Holy moly, look at all them worms in that. So it does look like they prefer, I'm guessing that's a banana. That's what it's got to be, right? Yep, that's a banana. There's the stem. So they prefer the banana over the pumpkin. In this case, cool. Fluff this up a little bit. And there's all kinds of food in here from the holding bin. From potato peels to banana peels to coffee grounds and filters. There is a ton of food in here. I'm gonna go ahead and bury these stems sideways this week. See if that makes a difference. I know Wayne had commented, thought it was going to take a little longer for the stems to break down because they were fibrous. That one there is already starting to get a little weak. But there is a ton of worms in here. There's part of the coffee filter there. So they're doing great. And on to the horizontal migration. That's our pile of castings. And that's our baiting side over here. We did put pumpkin last week. So let's see if we want to take it out or not. Yeah, I think I'll just scrape off these worms and leave this piece of pumpkin in here. Put them in the holding bin. Easy pickings. See what it looks like underneath. Yeah, we got a few around the edges here and there. That's the majority of them. I'm going to cover that back up. I might add a little bit more bedding to that. I've got some mixed up. Kind of fluff this castings up, see what kind of worm population we got. Might as well go ahead and pick these out while I see them. Castings look beautiful, feel nice, flaky. So it does look like the majority of the worms have migrated. I mean, there's still a few here and there. So we'll let them relax. I'm going to take that one out, put it over here in the holding bin. Just cover them back up. Knock these crawlers off the side. Trying to escape messing with them.
So just a quick little update. Not going to worry about feeding the Worm Factory 360 or the holding bin. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.